Hi, in front of me is POCO C55 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. Begin by opening settings and tapping on connection and sharing right away. Now click on printing, select system printing service and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you wish to use a different service, tap on blue switcher next to the system one. Go back, click on Add Service and download the best one for you. When your new service is ready, go back to the same printing settings. Lastly, tap on it and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!